Let me ask you something, and I want you to be 100% honest. Have you ever avoided bringing up a financial topic with your partner because you already knew how the conversation was going to end? Maybe you wanted to invest in a rental property and you didn't know how to bring it up. Maybe you saw an opportunity and stayed quiet because the last time you talked about money, things got a little bit tense. Maybe you have been watching this series for weeks, getting more and more excited about building true financial wealth. And you wouldn't have told your spouse a single thing about it because you are not sure how they will receive it and whether they will come on board. If any of that sounds familiar, you are not alone. Money is the number one source of conflict in relationships, and it is one of the most powerful forces for connection, alignment, and shared vision when handled properly. Today, I'm going to give you the tools to have the money conversations that actually move you forward together. Not as adversaries across the table, as partners looking to build something real. I'm Coach Lee Johnson. Let's talk about money and love today. I hope you're ready. Subscribe and hit the bell if you are not a part of this community already. And if this video resonates with you, send it to your spouse or your partner right now. Watch it together. That is actually the best way to use this episode. Now let's get into it. Before we talk about how to have better money conversations, we need to understand why they go wrong in the first place. Because in my experience, coaching couples and individuals through financial transformation, the argument is almost never really about money. Reason number one, you have different money stories. Everyone who comes into a relationship carries a money story, a belief, emotions, and behaviors around finances that were formed in their childhood, which by watching their parents, if one partner grew up with scarcity, money conversations can trigger anxiety and defensiveness. If the other grew up with financial security, they may not understand why their partner resists taking risk. You are not arguing about the investment property. You are arguing about your childhoods. Reason number two, you have different financial personalities. Research consistently identifies two dominant financial personalities. There are spenders on one side and savers on the other. Neither is wrong. They are different orientations toward security and pleasure. When a natural spender and a natural saver build a life together without understanding and honoring each other's personality, money becomes a battlefield instead of a bridge. Reason number 3, you are having the wrong conversation. Most couples fight about the numbers. How much was spent? How much was saved? Who spent what? But numbers are just symptoms. The real conversation is about values. What do you want our life to look like? What is it that we are building and moving towards? What does security mean to each of us? And what does freedom look like for our family? When you get to these values and conversations, the numbers start to make much more sense. You cannot budget your way into alignment. Alignment starts with vision, not spreadsheets. Drop a comment right now. In your relationship, who tends to be more of the spender and who is more of the saver? I promise these comment section is going to be very, very revealing. Here is the single most important thing I can tell you about money and relationships. Couples who build wealth together almost always have a shared vision first, not a shared budget. I said a shared vision. Before you have a single conversation about investments, savings rates, or spending limits, you need to sit down with your partner and answer these questions together. Vision question number 1. What does our ideal life look like in 10 years? Not the practical version, the real version. Where do you live? How do you spend your time? Are you working? Doing what? What does a typical Tuesday morning look like for you and your family? Get detailed. Get into the specifics. Let yourself dream out loud together, because shared dreams are the most powerful financial motivator that there is. Vision question number 2. What does financial security mean to each of us? This question will reveal more about your money story than almost anything else. For one partner, security may mean a fully funded emergency account with zero debt. For the other, it may mean passive income that covers all the bills. Both are valid, but you need to know what each of you are working towards before you can work towards it together. Vision question number 3. What are we willing to sacrifice, and what is non-negotiable? Every financial strategy involves trade-offs. What lifestyle expenses are sacrificed to each of you? What are you genuinely willing to reduce or eliminate in pursuit of the larger vision? Having this conversation proactively before you are in the middle of a budget argument changes the entire tone. You are collaborating, not compromising under pressure. A couple with a shared vision and a plan will outperform two high earners with no alignment every single time. All right. Vision is the foundation. Now let's talk about the ongoing practice. The system that keeps couples aligned on money month after month, year after year. I call it the money date. And it is one of the most transformative habits I have ever seen couples implement. You may be asking, what is a money date? It is a scheduled, intentional monthly conversation about your finances, but structured to feel like a partnership meeting, not a performance review. You pick a time when you are both relaxed and not feeling rushed. Maybe it's a Sunday morning over coffee. Maybe it's at dinner out where you review the month over the meal. The environment matters so much. You are not fighting about bills. You are steering the ship together. What do you cover? Start with wins. What went well this month financially? Did you hit a savings milestone? Make an investment? Pay off or pay down a balance? Start with celebration. It sets the tone. Then review your numbers together. Income, expenses, savings rate, investment contributions. Not to find blame, but to stay informed. Finally, set one shared financial intention for the next 30 days. One goal you are both committed to. Ground rules for the money date. Rule 1. No blame, no shame. You are on the same team. Rule 2. One person talks at a time. Rule 3. If the conversation gets heated, pause and reschedule for 4 hours later. You will not solve a deep money disagreement in the middle of an activated moment. Give yourself the grace of time. Rule 4. End every money date with something fun. Make it something you look forward to, not something you dread. Couples who implement a monthly money date consistently report not just improved financial incomes, but improved relationships as a whole and satisfaction overall. Because when you stop avoiding the hard conversation, you build up a base level of trust and partnership that spills into every other area and aspect of your life. The couple that talks about money together builds wealth together. Make it a ritual, not a reckoning. Now, I want to address the situation that I know many of you are in right now, where you are fired up about building wealth and your partner is not there yet. Maybe they are skeptical about real estate. Maybe they think the FIRE concept is unrealistic. Maybe they are comfortable with the status quo in a way that feels like an anchor when you are ready to set sail. Here is the most important thing I believe I can tell you. Do not drag them, lead them by example. There is a huge difference between trying to convince your partner and inviting them into a vision. Convincing creates resistance. Invitation creates curiosity. Share what you are learning, not as a sales pitch, but as genuine excitement. I've been learning about something that I think could really change our future. Can I share it with you? It's a different conversation than we need to start investing in real estate, and here is why you are wrong but skeptical. Let them come to the vision at their own pace. Share resources, like why not invite them to this series? Invite them to a financial education event together. Introduce them to other couples who are on the wealth building path, such as yourself. Exposure is more often pervasive than an argument. And in the meantime, start with the things you both can agree on. Most couples, regardless of their financial personalities, can agree on wanting security, wanting options, wanting a good future for their children. Build from that common ground. The rest tends to follow. You cannot force financial alignment, but you can model it, share it, and invite your partner into a vision big enough for both of you. Here is your action step, and I want you to do this with your partner this week. Schedule your first money date. Pick the time right now before this video ends and put it on both of your calendars. Keep it under an hour. Start with the 3 vision questions from today's episode. You do not need an agenda beyond just that for the first one. Just get the conversation started. And if you are watching this together as a couple right now, first of all, that is incredible. That intentionality already puts you ahead of most. Your next step is to schedule that money date and come to it with your answers to the 3 vision questions. But also, come prepared to listen as much as you want to share. And if you want support building a financial plan that works for your relationship, not just as an individual, but as a couple with a shared vision, that is exactly the kind of transformation I build with my private coaching clients. The application is in the description. I would love to work with both of you. Drop a comment. Are you and your partner aligned on money right now? Or is there work still yet to do? There's no judgment here. This is a safe space, and share this video with the couple in your life who may need it. I'm Coach Lee Johnson. The greatest investment you will ever make is in your relationship. Build that vision together, and the wealth will surely follow. I look forward to seeing you next week. Take care and stay well.